Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp desktop notifications not working on Windows. First, open WhatsApp desktop and go to Settings. Then open Notifications and make sure the notification options are turned on. Now let's check the Windows notification settings. Open Windows Settings and go to Privacy and Security, then select Notifications. As you can see, notification access is already turned on. The Let Apps Access Your Notifications option is also turned on, so these settings are working correctly. Now go back to the main Windows Settings page, click System, then select Notifications. Make sure the main Notifications option is turned on. Scroll down and look for WhatsApp in the list of apps. If WhatsApp is listed, click on it and make sure its notifications are enabled. You can also check the notification banner and sound options if they are available. Next, check Do Not Disturb and make sure it is turned off if you want to receive notifications normally. After changing these settings, close WhatsApp Desktop and open it again. This should help fix WhatsApp Desktop notification problems. That's it for this guide. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.